The world of a Foley artist is a symphony of creativity and ingenuity, where everyday objects are transformed into the sound effects that bring movies to life. Meet Jake, a seasoned professional who spends his days in the studio, meticulously crafting the subtle yet essential sounds of footsteps, rustling leaves, and even dramatic thunder. His workspace is filled with an eclectic mix of props, from sheets of metal to old shoes, each used to produce authentic effects. For those inspired by this path, Jake's advice is to hone your listening skills and experiment with sound making at home to build a unique portfolio. Despite the unusual nature of his work, Jake finds immense reward in knowing his contributions are integral to cinematic storytelling, motivating him to innovate with every project.